Hey WKCTC, Jack Wickham here, and welcome to your weekly roundup of everything happening around campus. Let's dive in. Our diesel technology medium heavy truck program has just scored some major recognition. We've officially earned Automotive Service Excellence Training Program Accreditation from the ASE Education Foundation. That's a big deal. It means we're meeting the highest industry standards and providing top-notch hands-on training with the latest tech to set our students up for success in diesel technology careers. Huge shout out to everyone involved in making this happen. With the winter weather rolling in, here are a few tips to help you stay safe. Storm watch versus storm warning. Let's make this simple with something we can all agree on. Tacos. A watch means we got all the taco ingredients lined up, so be ready for tacos. But we're not totally sure yet if the taco party's going down. A warning, on the other hand, means tacos are here and it's happening right now. Watch out for black ice. It's sneaky and hard to spot, especially at night, so stay alert out there. Know your road conditions. Stay updated on travel advisories in your area before you head out. Check in on your neighbors, especially elderly folk who might have trouble getting around in the snow. A little help goes a long way. Get ready for Trivia Night. Mark your calendars. The Challengers Center Annual Trivia Night fundraiser is right around the corner. Gather your smartest friends, up to 6 people per team, and get ready to show off your knowledge. The event is happening Friday, February 7th at 7 p.m. at St. Thomas More Catholic Church. It's $120 to register your team, and you'll tackle 10 rounds of 10 questions. Popcorn and soft drinks will be provided to fuel your brain power. There are only 35 tables available, so don't wait to register. Register your team today via the link below. Welcome to our new nursing students. Recently, beginning nursing program students were introduced to their instructors, toured classrooms in the Barbara M. Vesey Health Science Building, and learned more about what to expect this year at Camp Nightingale. Students enrolled in the LPN-RN Accelerated Bridge program took part as well. Officers of the WKCTC chapter of the Kentucky Association of Nursing Students spoke to the group about how they can get involved in the organization, and CANS members helped lead the discussion in tour groups. Heads up, a quick reminder that campus will be closed Monday, January 20th in observation of Martin Luther King Jr. Day. That's it for now, WKCTC. Stay safe, stay warm. I've been Jack Wickham, and we will see you next time.